Welcome back to K&M Bricks, everybody.
Okay.
Say hi.
Hi.
As you can see, we went to the Lego store. We ended up getting the, if I can get it here, the Lego delivery truck 60440. And what else did we get? What else is in here?
Yeah.
Let's see. The promo. It's what is it? Christmas picture frame.
Yeah, what else was that? In a backpack.
And let's see. Yeah, we got some brick heads. It's Captain America and Red Hulk. Not actually sure why I got it, but
that's Captain America's friend.
that is Captain America, the new Captain America. But yes, it was Captain America's friend, Falcon.
Yeah, look.
And then, what else do we have? We got 2 boxes here.
Yeah.
2 boxes here.
That was mine.
We got a minifig box and a pad box.
What's it?
I don't remember. Oh. In the pad box is just some of these green leaf elements.
Yeah,
The whole box.
What's in mine?
When I was doing the birch trees for the forest, we were getting low on them. And been waiting for them to be back on the wall to get more. And then we got minifig stuff. Let's see. We got 2 little doggies. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. 2 little doggies.
Yeah, it's lucky.
And then, let's see. We got the green 2x3 minifig torso. And then this one here, it's a winter kind of jacket. But I didn't have it as well as this one. It's like Christmas pajama or Christmas sweater torso. I didn't have. And then the Christmas tree. Well, yeah. I mean, it's got the Lego tree with the star on top. So surfboard. As well as a 2x3 present tile that you can put on this torso. And then we got a little red bird with the printing.
See?
Yeah, show them. Yeah, just like that. And then there was a shaggy hairpiece with the stripe in it from Dreams. As well as this, I guess that's a black cat headpiece from Halloween. Don't have it. And then one of these to add to the medieval area.
Daddy, this is teddy bear.
Oh, is it? Oh, we got one of these new cup pieces. I'll be putting in the medieval area, as well as these 2 potion bottles. We'll go in the medieval area too for the wizard probably. And then we got some head pieces.
How else put all those heads on?
2 of them are dual printed, but
Let me have it. I want a head.
it won't fall. There
I
we
want
go.
a head right here.
And then the bottom 2 are
You can't walk.
dual printed. Anyways, the top 2 will end up in the medieval area as well on some knights or Vikings. That's all that was in that box. And then we've been doing some 3D printing. Printed off a blaster from Star Wars.
Yeah.
As well as the Lego wreath that I'll get hung up on the door to the room here. Your heads are rolling. Your heads are rolling. What else have we printed? That's all that's in the bag. I think that's all we've printed Lego-wise. I'm still working on the train track pieces. I need to go and redo it differently. I don't like the way it's been turning out. I can't get the gaps correct and everything, so I'm going to do it a different way. But before we build the truck, do a review on that. We've built some other stuff for the medieval area. One of them is this butte, little fountain. I say little, decent sized fountain. I found the instructions online somewhere. Hey. Found the instructions on, no legs, on Rebrickable, I believe. And I've changed it a little bit. There's a few things that are different. I've also added it onto this bottom base. Added this piece here because it's going to be a fountain. Added the statue on top and these little corner pieces. But yeah, that will be a fountain. And then we got these two other statues.
They're here. No, they're here.
Yeah, the hair fell off.
Yeah. Why did the hair do that? The hair. The hair. Put the hair back.
I didn't order enough heads, so we're missing a head here, but these will just be somewhere throughout the city. I'll probably make a little kind of base for them to sit on.
I got a head for it.
Not a gray head. We gotta order another gray head. Dad is going to be making a pad order here shortly for a bunch of stuff for the city for next year. And we also made some of these lantern posts.
Is this for Star Wars?
Made some of these little lanterns for the castle area, the medieval village.
Is this for Star Wars?
I found a picture one online and liked it. I changed a little bit of it. It's still kind of the same, but I've changed a little bit of it. I didn't like the way it was, but I used it more as, I guess, inspiration, kind of a guide. But it's a pretty simple build. There's only a handful of parts. It uses the old lantern looking pieces and some black rods and 1x1 plate to look like wrought iron bracing or metal bracing. Yeah. That can be a boy or a girl. I built 6 of them. I'm gonna try to build 3 or 4 more. The parts I was using, I only had a couple. I only had enough to do 6 instead of the full 9 or 10. So I need to order pieces to finish that, as well as the other gray head and some other stuff for in the city. I'll be doing that tab order probably here shortly. End of the year, start of the year, at some point. That's because that doesn't go on there, bud. That goes on this one.
That one goes on there.
Yeah, that one goes on here. And this one goes on here.
Dada, I got her to find the...
No. Okay, we are going to build the truck and do a review on that, or a show on that. So here is the little hot dog cart stand and forklift that comes in the set. The forklift is functional, has the rubber band on it to help lift and lower, or to help lift, you have to push down to lower. The top, of course, is open. I really like they used up here on the front fenders is the seat element. I can't really take it off, it's in there pretty good. But it's the minifig seat, you can kind of see it there on a bracket. Looks pretty good. A little bit of lights and stuff on the back. I guess that's some engine detail on the back. And then, of course, the little strobe light. And then both of these minifigs have this like vest sweater piece. And then different faces, of course. And then you got a can of the citrus or Vita Rush soda. And then the semi truck, and it is big. It's let's see. I don't have a base plate handy, but it's almost, I think it's 2 base plates long, just about. The trailer does detach. A little bit of detail on the back of the truck. Mud flaps. Little fire extinguisher, first aid kit. The hose for the trailer and exhaust. And then on the truck, this, I really like that Lego's done this, or tried to do this. Have an opening hood with the engine in there. And then opening driver and passenger side doors. Mirrors. The top of the truck lifts off. A little sign for the hot dog stand. Then inside there is a bed and a TV and enough room for 2 minifigs up in the driver's seat and the passenger seat. And then underneath is just all bricked. It is got a couple window pieces there though. And then the bottom side's all finished off as well. Now the trailer, put the legs down here. See, it's got supports to stand without the truck. And then the truck can back up and attach, just like that. And then on both sides, the driver's side and the passenger side, has got 3 panels that open up. The front panel is this Lego panel. And there's some of the 3x4 red crates with light bluish gray lids. There is a bag of the tools to go in the crates. I didn't want to open that yet. I try to leave these closed so I don't lose anything. And then the next 2 panels lift up, as well as the back side, so you can see all the way through. And of course the back doors open as well. Excuse me. Inside are 4 pallets of Lego sets. First one, it looks like you got the Island Prison city set, and then it looks like the space, I don't remember what that set is called. It's a rocket, but I've got it. I just forget what it's called. And then it looks like you've got the police helicopter, and then another city rescue, the fire truck set. And then these back two are the same. This set only had 3 printed, or 3 stickered pieces. 2 of them were these for the hot dog stand, and then the picture of the TV on the inside of the cab. Everything else is printed. Little first aid thing, all these side panels, all these sets, they're all printed. You get 6 of each of these. Each side is a mirrored version of this one, so these are separate, or these are different, and then these back ones are the same on both sides. Lift them up here so you can see them a little bit. And then the other Lego one as well, which is very nice. I like these big printed pieces. These sets are nice. I'm going to add them. Probably take, one off of each pallet or whatever and stick in the Lego store set when I expand that. Of course, it's got, all the wheels on it. I wish they would have done double wheels on the front, or on the back of the truck, or even on the trailer would have been cool. But it looks correct. The trailer is a little long. Well, the whole thing is a little long for in the city, unless you got a pretty good sized city. It retails for like $99.99, and it has, I think it was 1,016 pieces and 4 minifigs, so it's a decent deal. I know you could get it at, I believe it was Costco a little while back, for like, I think $60 or $80, so that would have been a decent savings. I did not. I got it straight from the Lego store this past trip that we took. Inside the trailer, you do have the tiled off floor for the most part, and then these ingots help locate the pallet. And keeps it, from sliding around. You can use the forklift to pick up and to load the trailer just like that. It doesn't, you gotta line it up a little bit, but pick up the pallet and then load it in the truck, and you're good to go. Then close these panels and deliver to the Lego store. So what did you all think about the truck? You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Was it nice? It's big, huh? It's a big truck.
Yeah.
You like all the printed pieces inside?
Yeah.
And on the sides? Yeah? It's nice, huh?
Yeah, then this.
Yeah, and the Lego one. You like the hot dog cart?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fun, huh?
Get that. Who guys goes to it?
You like the lampposts for the medieval area?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're nice, huh? I like them. And the statue and the fountains.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sister likes the blaster. She wants to blast some stuff.
No, personally put something in it.
Oh, okay.
What's it?
Do you like Sister's Lego outfit?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's got a heart of Legos on the shirt and Legos on the pants.
Ew, my brother.
Ooh. Hey, so you ready to? We gotta go to the store and get some cookie dough to make cookies for Santa Claus.
Yeah, Papa Santa Claus.
Papa Santa. Maybe. Yeah, we gotta go get cookie dough for Santa Claus.
No, Papa should walk.
Ow, okay. So we'll catch you later.
Later.
Thank you for watching,
Thank you for watching.
subscribing, and commenting. And hopefully next year we get to expand more. That's the goal anyways.
Yeah.
Yeah. Say, see you later, alligator.
Later, okay.
After a while, crocodile.
Crocodile.
Catch you next one.
This one.
Say Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays.
Happy people.
Happy New Year's. I think we'll do one more video before New Year's, though. Right? You want to do one more video before New Year's?
No.
No? Oh, I do. Catch you on the next one.
For yourself, Dada.
Bye-bye.